I have many picture here with Joanne. With Joanne before. Last year. October 28, 2024. Shout out to Joanne de Venecia. Last year you are here before. Yeah. And now I'm here again with Jolene. Oh my god, raining. Raining is coming. Oh my god, very beautiful, guys. You see? Especially at night time. I know, very beautiful because have many Christmas light, you see? But now, not yet open the light. So, cannot see the beautiful view, but maybe later, yeah, become very beautiful this place. See, guys, shout out to all of you guys. We are live here in Macau, of course, with Papa Sam and Jolly Ann. Papa Sam is coming this coming October 28th, him birthday. So I'm here again to celebrating him birthday. Yeah. See, very beautiful. Before we come here, have wedding there. Yeah, have wedding party. There, we eating there, the buffet, Halloween buffet.
No, thank you.
You have pig there, man. I don't know. Shout out to Ira Bacalo. Yes, shout out. Ayun si Ate Jolly Ann. She is very busy to taking picture and video. See? Ask to Papa Sam to take her video, see? Oh, she very enjoy. Someday you can come here also. Yeah, nice. Wow, hair. You take hair picture, see? Nice. Also have heart there. Oh my god, very large this garden. See? Wow. Big heart queen. See? Have crown. Very large. Wow, very beautiful. Yeah, see? Huh? Yeah. Can go. See? Now maybe can go lah. Wow. See? Very large this garden ah. Yeah, cannot go close. But today, see, open already. Oh my god, very beautiful. Yes, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning to all over the world. See, we are live here in Macau. Of course with Papa Sam and Jolly Ann. Happy Thursday everyone. Enjoy your day. Oo. Dito kami ni Joan, sabi nga ni Sam dati nung pumunta kami dito, hindi daw pa bukas dito, kaya dito, ayun no, bukas na, pwede nang umikot, oh. Last year, dito kami ni La Joan. Saka si Papa Sam mo, nag-celebrate ng birthday niya. Happy to your... Yes! Thank you po! Happy to your fast man. Yes, thank you. Happy birthday. Ah, yeah. Where? I have here before. Yeah.
啱 close 嘛，歪係嘛？
Oh, the other side. The other side. Mm. Ah? Parang painting pa. Ganda-ganda nga ng ano, pagka-design nila. Ang galing nila. Ang galing talaga nilang ano. Russell Flores vlog. Shout out to you, my sister. Hello. How are you, sister? Wag na. Nan. You say Ira's comment. There was.
Design.
Oh, this side daw.
Ah.
Ito biyam.
Sabi niya.
Sabi ni Joan daw. Yung kami last year, sabi niyan, si Ira ang nag-comment. Ay, lasik ka. Ha. Wala hari patanggal-tanggal ng ano.
Saka pwede mag-shoot na.
Of course can. Pictorial. Can pictorial here. Hello, shout out to all of you, my friend. Hello.
Need use how to say like this.
Paano? Yeah, in iPhone. Joan. Joan. Julian. Come. We take picture together here. Come. Tamang ibigyan mo yung iPhone. Paano picture? Paano picture? Use paano? Come here, Julian. Satu tayo bangat ng Lord. Ako ang gagalaw.
Wait, yung tiga lang. Behind the scene.
Oh. Tingnan.
One more.
Oh, see? Oh, can take. Here, we stand up here. Come here. Punta mo ay na, oh.
Behind the scene.
Kasi ini naman. I go down here and then she go down there. Later. We go